In this video, I'll detail turn on flashlights on Apple Watch camera. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to disable or turn off the flashlight camera, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before you can turn off or disable flashlight on Apple Watch camera, you first need to connect your Apple Watch and your iPhone together so that when you launch the camera app on your Apple Watch, it's going to automatically launch the camera on your iPhone. So once that is done, go ahead and click on the histogram on your Apple Watch, scroll down and click on the camera icon. Once you click on the camera icon, this is going to open your Apple Watch camera straight away. Then once opens, go ahead and click on these three dots. Then on clicking the three dots, scroll down until you get to flash. Then you can see under flash there is auto, there is on, and there is off. Now to turn on flashlight on Apple Watch camera, just click on then click on the done button. Then when next you take a picture on your Apple Watch like this, then you should see the flashlight comes up on your iPhone. See that? So that is how you can easily turn on flashlights on Apple Watch camera. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.